Mga kaibigan, just to take a coffee right now. So, kanina pa lang ho tayo, may nakausap ho tayo na isang mayabang. No, na isang mayabang. I don't think so. He is a politician or not. But they are downgrading the organizations itself, mga kaibigan. I do not like with that. And I'm so just too angry. Because politicians can serve only 3 years. Can serve only on that particular year through the elections. Through the mandate of the Philippine Constitution. Because public employee of this country, there are 2. Was done by elections, which is through elections under of the Philippine Constitution mandate. And also the appointed law mandate of this Philippine Constitution, which is called the fundamental laws of the land and the supreme law of the land. It is the power of the Filipino people. That is why I would like to tell you frankly, I do not like to serve anyone out there. Everyone out there, I do not like to serve with that. But under the rule, we are just obliged to follow a certain rules under of this protocols of law. But you are downgrading our dignity, my dignity, that is not my ground. That is the grounds of the law. And then I will getting angry with that. No? I to tell you frankly. Because I'm serving the Filipino people, I serving my country. I serve this country through the protocols of law, mga kaibigan, and also our constitutions. That is my greatest ground of this universe. I to tell you frankly, who you are and who I am. Because I served for almost 25 years of my country. How come you can getting on that particular that you are going to be expressed and the people out there? Lahat kayong nananalo dyan, no? Best be remind all of you, hindi ho kayo ang powerful sa mundong ibabaw na ito. May Diyos ho tayo at may batas ho tayong sinusunod sa bayang ito. As a democratic nations, as a democratic country in the Far East, we have to exercise our privilege of rights under of our constitutions. And any laws was enacted by the body in the legislative body, mga kaibigan, of the government, the constitutional shall not be intervened. Hindi po yan pwede hadlangan yung constitution natin. There is going to be in acts towards the legislative mga kaibigan, but not whole totality of the constitutions. There are something out there, and then we are going to some of them dadagdagan or kukunin natin, bawasan natin, hindi ito yung tama. Diba? Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. I am not just doing my job to become a tuta. I am not just a tuta, mga kaibigan. Mind you, I am not just a tuta of this universe. I am immune to myself. Nga mukaon lang may tibagnol nga saging, mga pe lang may koy asukal, stick pa yun. Walay kwarta among bangko, walay kwarta among bolsa. Mga kaibigan, that is my greatest ground of myself. Samantalang sila palaging iniinitan yung organisasyon ho natin. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. We're just doing our best. Darating ho ang panahon. Either mawawala sa mapa ang Pilipinas or the Philippines ay lulubog sa utang ng dahil sa inflation. Dalawa lang yung pagpipilian natin. They will continue that kinds of the corruptions of this universe, of this country. Dalawa lang. Mawawala sa mapa sa buong mundo ang Pilipinas or either lulubog ho tayo sa maraming utang ho natin sa ibang bansa. Ganun ho. You know guys, we are just a rich country among all the countries in the Asia. Among countries, all the countries, all the universe, Philippines is the greatness, the richest among all that, mga kaibigan, countries. You know why? Haring Solomon in the Bible, the gold of Haring Solomon was established and dito ho tinatago sa bansa ho natin. Mind you that, mga kaibigan. Saan ba yun natin namamana ang ganitong uri ng mga corruption, ganitong uri ng ating mga attitude, ng mga karakter ho natin sa iba't ibang panig ng ating lugar sa ating bansa? Ay mula po sa mga dayuhang mga katsela at iba't ibang mga dayuhan pa, mga kaibigan. Who is the biggest violators of the human rights? Espanyol, Katsela. How many thousands of millions of Filipinos our ancestor was killed of this, mga kaibigan? Tatanungin ho natin kayo. Tatanungin ko ho kayo. How many millions of Filipino people was died and killed by this colonizer? Followed by Americans, followed by Japanese, and many others. These countries are remain to stand their own. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. Bakit? We are not came from the name of King Philip. We are just a Maharlikan country, a Maharlikan colony. We are just in the Ophirian colony in the Bible. So that's why, you know guys, we're just going to say about this because there is a lot of people out there, they do not know about this. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan, ang mangyayari sa atin. So that's why nagkakaroon ho tayo ng independent, pero magiging tuta pa rin tayo sa mga malalaking bansa. Like what happened in the Singapore. Singapore is almost 71,800 hectares only in the map of the world. But Singapore right now in the top 3, the world largest economy in the world, mga kaibigan. But the Philippines before is the biggest and the greatest producer of anything, ore and many others. But now the Philippines, they will going back to the bangin. Nagiging kurap ang mga politiko. Ang bansa noong binansagan na pinaka-powerful, mga kaibigan, ay walang iba kundi ang Pilipinas. The first country developed among all the countries in Asia. Ganon ho, mga kaibigan.